In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of marble effect in your videos using the Omniflash model. So to do that, first, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this website is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. This is a platform that you can try for just $1, so you could follow that way the tutorial. Now, after you create the account, we have to go to the video section. Here, we need to click in settings. And now in model, we need to use the Omniflash model. Now we have to click here and upload our video. For example, this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months.
Well, let's click here. Now here, where it says describe your video, we have to use this prompt. This is a prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click this button. Now we have to click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the result. It looks like I want it. So if you want to try this model and create marble AI videos, remember that you can try this platform for just $1. So I recommend you to try the platform and see you in the next video.